Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Spotify gift card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, launch or open a web browser of your choice. Inside the URL box, type in spotify.com and search. This will take you to the official site for Spotify on a web browser. Make sure to log into your Spotify account by entering the correct credentials. And once you are inside the main home page, click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click on Account, and then from the options displayed on the screen, scroll all the way down until you see this Use the Code option under Payment. Click on Use the Code and then enter your code that is at the back of your gift card or premium code on the receipt. Go ahead and get your gift card ready and peel off the metallic strip that is available at the back of it. Once you reveal your gift card number, enter it inside the premium code text box. After typing in the correct gift card information, click on I'm not a robot and finally click Next in order to redeem your Spotify gift card. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.